Dear students, welcome to Kara English School. How are you? I hope you all must be fine. This is your class 5th NCERT book looking around, and we are learning chapter number 1, Super Senses, and this is the 5th and last part of the chapter. In the 4th part, we have learned about an animal that is called sloth, that look like a bear, but actually this is not. This is another animal but this is look like a sloth. This is the laziest animal, that he do not come down from the tree. He just hang on the tree upside down. He just eat the plants. He just eat the leaf of the plant which plant he hangs, and he do not want to come down from the tree. He just come down from the tree he, once in a week, and for some time, and again he just climb up the tree and hangs. So uh, we have we have learned about that the sloth is so much lazy. He just try to sleep the whole day. So you are watching that there is a circle, and there are 12 fraction in this circle, and each part of the fraction is denote 2 hours. So we will here watch the sleeping time of a sloth. So you are watching that how many parts of the fraction is black. The 9 parts of the fraction is black. 9 twos are 18. It means the sloth sleep 18 hours a day, and he just wake for 6 hours. After that we will read this about the lizard sleeping time. The lizard sleep the whole day, means it sleep the 24 hours a day, because during winter it goes any warm place and keep sleeping. Given here is the sleeping time of some animals. Write each picture for how many hours a day that animal sleep. So we are watching that this is a cow, and only 2 fraction is black, means the cow sleep only for 4 hours and wake for 20 hours. The snake sleeping time, the snake also sleep for 18 hours a day, because the 9 part of the fraction is black. The giraffe, it sleep only 2 hours a day, and the cat sleep for 12 hours, and he wake up for 12 hours too. When you see different animals, do you have any question about them? Make a list of 10 such questions. Of course, when we watch the animals, some questions comes in our mind, such as how do they understand the other animal feeling, how do they talk, how do they understand the language of others. This type of questions come in our mind. To now we will read about the tiger. You know that the tiger is a national animal of our country, of India. So, and we have learned too much about the tiger. The tiger has super sense of sight, the tiger has super sense of smell, the tiger has the super sense of hearing too. Is his The senses of tiger is very strong. A tiger can see 6 times better at night than most of us. The tiger's sense of uh, sight is so much strong that he can see 6 times better at night. That is why he can catch his prey at night. The tiger's whiskers are very sensitive and can sense the movement or vibrations in air. They help the tiger move in the dark and find its prey. Its whiskers help is to find its prey. Its whiskers is so much sensitive that the tiger can sense the movement or vibration in the air. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between the rustling of leaf and the sound of an animal moving on the grass. The ears of the tiger can move in different directions, and this helps to catch the sound from all around. The sense of hearing of a tiger is so much sharp, is so much strong that he can differentiate the sound between rustling of the leaves and the sound of an animal's moving. And it has ears, strange ears, that it can move its ear in different directions, and that is why he catch the sound of all directions. Tigers make different sound for different purpose, like when it is angry or to call out to a tigress. It can also roar or snarl. Its roar can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. Its roar is so much loud that we can listen the sound of roar from 3 kilometers away. Each tiger has its own area which may cover several kilometers. Tigers mark their area with their urine. A tiger can at once come to know if there is another tiger in its area by the smell of the urine. A tiger will avoid going into another tiger's area. You know that many animals are there who cover their own area by urinate here or there. So that the tiger also cover the several kilometers by urinate by urination. And if any other tiger comes in his area and smell the urine of the tiger, then he do not dare to enter the other tiger's area. The tiger is one of the most alert animal, and yet today tiger are in danger. Yes, this is very strange thing that the a tiger is very alert animal because he has super sense of sights, hearing and smelling. But even to he is in danger today. What do you think are some of the dangers to tiger in the jungle? Of course, some there is a very many danger to the tiger into the jungle because of deforestation. The people are cutting the trees and cleaning the forest for making buildings, factories, etc. That is why the animals' home is going to be lost. Can human being also be a threat to animal? How? Yes, of course, a human being also a threat to animals because there are many hunters and poachers are there who kill the animals, who kill the tiger, lion, elephant, rhino, snake. Many animals are there who are killed by these hunters and poachers. The poachers are some people who kill the animals illegally for some money. Do you know that today many animals are killed and their parts are sold? You know that there are many animals are killed by the hunters and poachers and their parts are sold too. They killed the animals for some money. Elephants are killed for their tusk. You know that the animal tusk, the elephant tusk is so much expensive. That is why the animals are killed for their tusk. Rhinoceros for its horn, tigers, crocodile, and snake for their skin. Their skin looks so much beautiful. That is why the tiger, crocodile, and snake are killed. Musk deer are killed just to make a little scent for its musk. The musk deer are killed for its musk because the musk deer has musk, and musk is used for making scent and perfume. People who kill animals are called hunters and poachers. The number of tiger and many other animals in our country is reducing. There is a danger that some of them will soon disappear. To protect the animal, our government has made some forests as protected areas. Some of them are the Jim Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand and Ghana in Bharatpur district of Rajasthan. In this area, nobody can hunt animals or destroy the jungle. Because of the safety of the animals, the government has made some protected area that you have lesson, and in this area, in this protected area, no one can hunt these animals. So this was the fifth and last part of the chapter. Now we will give you some question answer. I will give you some objective questions to so write the question answer in your notebook and learn properly for your examination. Take care.